skin a bit blurry, you know, and it's like, ooh, really good, you know, and it's like, ooh.
First of all, before we do anything, who just like freaking love makeup? I mean, you cannot watch any of my videos if you don't love makeup. Like, oh my gosh, it's all I talk about. It's all I do. And if you like content like that, you need to definitely come and follow my channel, because that's what I love to do is makeup. You know, I learned to do makeup, you know, different ways a bit, you know, when I'm doing my own makeup, for sure. That's how I kind of learn. And I just think it's really cool to like just take advantage of that. You know, the advantage of like teaching, you know, showing how you do it. You know, you might not show everything, but you know, you do the best that you can, you know. I mostly like to be lit up, girl. So I kind of let the powder do the talking, you know what I'm saying? That's normally what I do. I just keep that, I just press it into my skin. You know, you don't want to really overpower it, but you just press that powder in, girl. Wherever you want it to be like lit, that's what you do. Like, you got to make sure it's blended, okay? And I'm just going to get a little closer to you so you can kind of see, just to make sure, you know. Okay, we'll see later. But yeah, you just kind of like tap that there. Yeah, like I need more easier equipment to just film, because it's getting a little bit difficult, you know, because I tend to use my phone. I like using my cell phone, okay? And I'm talking like real lazy right now, okay? Because I'm just like, I'm going to explain this thing to y'all. I really use, you know, something that's more simpler. So my phone is real easy. You know, I already have a camera. I don't want to use the camera, you know, because it's like, what's the point? That's just a lot of work. A lot of extra work, you know. I ain't making that much money from YouTube, babe. So yeah. But I officially really wanted to get on here and discuss with you guys about my makeup line, my skincare line. You know, Madamdeon Cosmetics.
Thank you to my friends over at Madamdeon Cosmetics LLC. They have sent me over their new, look at that, their new facial bar called Jungle Juice. This Jungle Juice is...
Y'all see this skin, baby? I've been using Madamdeon Cosmetics, and I have acne prone skin. You hear me? I done ran this 5K and still looking beautiful. Hey!
And I'm just so excited about it. You know, I've been out for a bit of, like, I released my company during COVID. So it was, like, really crazy. When COVID came, it was like, fuck that shit. But anyway, God allowed me to, you know, build my own business. Yes. So, in the midst of that, you know, I built my own business, you know, and came out with my own line. Okay? Yeah, okay? This right here is Bundle Up. Bundle Up, okay? So pretty. Yes, this is a lipstick. Look, my lips are dry right now. So before I put anything on my lips, I'm going to hydrate it. Because before I put on a matte lip, your lips has to be exfoliate. Okay? You need to exfoliate more if that's what you do. If you happen to like matte lipsticks like that all the time, you need to be sure that you exfoliate your lips. Okay, because if you don't exfoliate it, then you will probably have really dry lips. But anyway, listen, you can get anything, like even like Vaseline, like, you know, to just like tap on your lips, you know, but this will save you. But in the meantime, in between time, you really need to get yourself some sugar scrubs. And I have that on my website. However, you know, I'm out of stock. And it's been out of stock for a while, but it's the only one I use. And the ones that I use, I really don't like as much as the one I like. Because because mine like go in, like it means it. So, because I like for my lips to really leave a statement, you know. And this one here is called Thai, you know. Yeah, I like for my lips to leave a statement. And every one of them come with a lip liner. What? I'm that good. I'm that good liner. This is a real nice fall color. That's when I came out with the line, like during fall. So yeah, it's really nice. A nice liquid. I said that what I was gonna do is just get on here and show y'all every color, but that ain't no need necessary. You can get on the website, look at as many colors as you like. But what I would do, I love the way it looks when you use more than one of them together. Like you let one dry down and you come behind it with another one.
That I do like.
I want to also show you a bit of how my foundation looks, you know, and I actually have all the shades on there that you can check out. Like I got tons of foundation, and like I said, be sure that you're ready to be glamified. In your most sensitive skin, Madamdeon got you. Like I got you. You're gonna get the exact, like the right coverage, girl. Follow me on Instagram. No, follow me on TikTok. You know, follow me here. See some of my short videos that I do using my own foundation. Girl, the coverage is there, like, give you a blur. It makes the skin a bit blurry, you know, and it's like, ooh, really good if you have, like, enlarged pores. It, like, phenomenal. Now, look, if I don't have the color for you to get, then I will get the color, okay? So, y'all gotta know I'm just throwing out. Just like with my skincare line. You know, my skincare line, I had that way before I got my makeup. But now everybody's like driving me nuts about the turmeric bar. And it's like, give me time. I am doing it by myself. Okay, I have an event tomorrow, you know, I'm doing, you know, because, I mean, I did set it up. But, I mean, I could have had somebody help, you know, and I've asked everybody, you know, nobody want to help me. But, it's me by myself doing this event, you know, and I love doing, like, different, I like giving back to, like, different, like, autism, organization, you know, breast cancer, you know, pups, dogs, you know, kids. I love children. I love animals. I just like to give back to things that I feel that's going to benefit something. Help, an organization to help people, you know, because we can't do it ourselves. Yeah, so, with that being said, I'm looking for my palette, my eyeshadow palette. Girl, it's so bomb. Girl, when I tell you, why is it, oh girl, when I tell, oh, I got concealer too. Y'all should definitely check it out, and I use it every day, like, and this ain't, let me tell you, this is the concealer I use in my makeup bag. Now, you know what I'm saying, because I'm not really, well, it's my makeup. I love it, and it's all I wear, like, it's all I wear. I only wear, like, my stuff. You know, I put my stuff on, I represent it. You know, I just think it looks nice, you know, and it's really a nice natural glow at times. And it stays on, you know, it's water resistant. It's really nice. It's soft, lightweight. You don't even know you have anything on your face, girl. But, and the concealer is so nice and thick and full. Like, it's just so much, you know, quality in it. You know what I'm saying? Now, this name here has changed to Madamdeon Cosmetics. So, yeah, okay. Let me show you my palette, Drama Queen, that I've bragged about for years. Couldn't get it. But now that I finally got it, I'm just gonna show it to you. Just show it to you. That's the way it looks. Yes. And in here we have the names Too Much, Favor, Clara, Beloved, Burnt Out, what? Devour. Oh my God. Devour, Misunderstood, Drama Queen, Miracles. So I see miracles. I see miracles. I'm stressed out. Should I tell you what that means? Anyway, disrespect. You don't want nothing.
Won't be none.
Grateful. Spiritual. Tatiana and Power. Power, Devour, yes, Drama Queen. So check us out. We will be in the description. Check us out. Buy me, buy me, buy me, buy me. Because I'm freaking awesome. Like, I can be used as a blush. Oh my God, it's like my favorite blush. It just makes every look just come back to life, you know. Even if it's like extra stressed out, this here color really just helps buff everything out, you know. And I just love that so much. You know, I just wanted something that was going to be fit for like anything. Help with anything, you know. And you can just like play with it, you know. Even if you kind of get lost in the makeup, you just can go into a few colors here. You should see that orange. Watch how I'm able to correct any, you know, mistakes. You know what I'm saying? It makes it looks like that. I've tried that to keep it that way. You know, so that's what it does. Then you can just like, it just helps correct. This is like a, this is more of a master artist eyeshadow palette, you know. The spare of the moment, you can do everything with this palette. You know, it's vegan and cruelty free, but no need to say that if it's vegan. And when I say it's vegan, it has plant-based properties in there. Nothing in there that can harm you, because I have super duper 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 super sensitive skin, and I can only use things that is free of any parabens and any like I need something that is gluten free. I express myself out when I be talking. I need something that is gluten free, so that's why I love my line so much. But yeah, I'm gonna put everything in the description box. I just love it, girl. Look. What else I got? I really just want y'all to like check out the brand so you can learn more about it. This one right here is called Process. Oh, Process. Don't everybody love Process? Let's see how Process and Thai go together. Like, see, I like to kind of work with my colors. Like, sometimes really dark colors can make my teeth look yellow. But I like to kind of straighten it out. Straighten it out. So I'm going to go back in there with a little Thai. And then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this dry down, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to apply a little bit more to kind of lighten it up. And then, alright, so I just kind of waited for it to dry, and then I went into the lip liner that actually go with Thai. Yeah. Really small. I don't remember, but I would say Thai, but it is like one of those darker ones, but I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to put on, where did I put that lipstick anyway? Right here. I'm going to go back in. Oh, this one here would be Butter. I'm going to go in with another color, but since I can't find the other one, so we're going to go in like this. So this is the way I ombre the lips. More of an ombre. And then after that, as you see, go down the road, okay? So then after that, what I would do, since my lips are already moisturized, it's going to automatically dry and take its time and dry. And boom, there you go. You can take the residue, use it as a blush. But that's up to you, okay? You don't have to. Or take your powder sponge, which I'm also going to start selling these on the website soon. Take these and just like, you know, just push your powder in. And there you got it. I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Bye.